How to get into Snapchat's My Eyes Only without the passcode. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can get into the My Eyes Only on Snapchat if you have forgotten its passcode. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up any web browser you have on your device, and here you're just going to search for Snapchat support. Go ahead and search for Snapchat support and hit enter, and you're going to click on the first link right here. And once you open up the Snapchat support page, you will find this option right here that my account is compromised. Just tap on this one. It will open up a new page. And here, if you think your account is compromised, then what you're going to do is just go ahead and enter your username and enter your email, enter your phone number that's connected to your account, and on the description you're going to tell the Snapchat help and support team that you have forgotten your Snapchat's My Eyes Only password and you'd like to get it back and recover it. And once you tap on submit, they'll get back to you on your email. You just have to follow the instruction they give out to you, and then you should be able to recover your My Eyes Only passcode. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.